We are now here at Abdullah bin Rawaha school. This is a public school in the south of Deir Balah area, where lots of people, where hundreds and tens of displaced families dwell and live in this place. Through Alkhidmat Foundation, Pakistan, we are providing these displaced families with drinking water, because water is a real problem in the Gaza Strip. And as you know, water is a source of life for all creatures, and people here need such service. We hope that you keep up your support and donation to the people of Gaza.